The Honorable Member for Seme, Honorable James Nyikal, again pleading with you to keep it brief so that the members can have an opportunity.
Thank you, Chair. Thank you, Madam Speaker. I'll try, but this is a very interesting topic. Madam Speaker, thank you for giving me the opportunity to contribute to this, and I must congratulate my colleague, Honorable Makali, for bringing it on. Madam Speaker, drug and substance abuse is a big problem in this country, affecting mainly the young. It is a complex phenomenon involving our social structure, our family structure, availability of these substances and drugs in the community. And you find that they are in schools, in shopping centers, they are in clubs, wherever people get together, particularly young people, somehow these are available. Sometimes they come in formats that people argue as to whether there's the substances of abuse or drugs. Just last week we were talking about Velon, which is definitely a nicotine derivative, and we are wondering whether it is one. They come in all those forms, in many disguised forms. Mr. Speaker, Madam Speaker, it also involves individual predisposition and the family circumstances, so that you will find that even in a family, one person may actually be affected or the others are not affected. In a school, so that it's all aspects of the society we must look at. But in the end, when persons are affected, it results into a mental illness. And then it becomes completely difficult to manage, because the hallmarks of mental illness is lack of insight, which means the affected person does not realize that he or she is unwell and will therefore not seek treatment. And worse still, will not abide by the treatment that is given. So will not adhere to the treatment that is given. So it becomes very complex, and it affects people in their very youthful period when they are very vulnerable.